If you fly over French Polynesia, you'll come across a jewel of the South Pacific Ocean, Tahiti. With its 180 islands towering over the ocean like a royal queen crowned by a circle of majestic peaks. Mother Nature's Teahupo'o opens its gates to lots of surf adventurers, but there is no place in the world where so many different sports get along on such an intense wave. Waterman Robert tried it all and knows the background.
In Tahiti, it's different mentality. When we go in the water, all the surfers, go, catch. Okay, we catch 4, 5, 6, and then stop. Let them for 15, 20 minutes. And then those guys, they catch, and then for us again. Try to give the melody on the water, you know, the good feeling, the good manner, and then everything is happy. Everybody's happy in the night.
And this energy and atmosphere unites all the watermen of the world. The surfers, windsurfers, stand-up paddlers, and nowadays also the kite surfers. Wind and kite surfers really have to pay attention here, not only because of the really heavy waves, but also because they need enough wind to get in and out of these monsters without getting crushed.
If you really want to go in, you can go, of course. And then after this, you never know what happened to you, because of course on kite surfing you have all the line, and don't forget, because in one line you have 200 kilo per line, the pressure before you break. So you have 4 lines, and then you have to watch out what you've been doing, you know. So those lines not gonna break easy like that. So you can cut your finger, or you can take off all your legs, you know. I mean, it's if soon when you know how to work and everything, you're safe.
Kite world champ Mito Monteiro makes it look so simple, but the lip, as thick as it is tall, pitches with such velocity that it's hard to avoid being launched.
You know approximately how you work, you know, because when you bottom turn and everything, and then you slow down, and then of course the wave catch you slowly and everything start to cover you, like all the surfer, and then you stay, you don't move, because you're on line, because it's a very particular wave. You don't need to pump, because soon when you pump and you flip over, and everyone knows about this wave. And the only thing you can do is to open your sail a little bit, and then you start to cover you. Of course, can be really dangerous.
They all stared into the heart of the beast and wanted no part of it. Because the reef is very much alive, you'll find out when you brush against it down there.
When you do towing with windsurfing, you have to get somebody who can pull you, and to understand also the direction of the wind, so the way to pull you out of the water. And then soon when you start to plane, and then of course you have to put you on the right place on the waves. It's not easy thing, but when you have the good riders riding the jet ski, everything is easy. Same like towing.
And some daredevils like Robert also ride the jet skis in that wave.
Nothing happened. It's a good thing, the most important thing. But you know, we try to get along all together. You know, windsurfers, kiteboarder, and tower, and of course regular paddling surfer. I mean, the water is for everybody, and we need to share this because everyone need to get some adrenaline and everything and feel good, you know.
So that's what the Tahitian lifestyle is all about, sharing good times.